You are watching Car Essentials, and in this video, we're gonna show you the top 5 best radiator stop leaks in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, we picked the 5 models that will meet the need of every type of consumer. We arrange these products on basis of their price, quality, durability and more. We also have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 5, Bars Leaks Radiator Stop Leak Concentrate, is one of the best radiator stop leak you can find available in 2021. Seal the leaks in your radiator with this concentrated formula. It works to seal small leaks in your radiator or heater core. Bars Leaks manufactures this product in the United States. One bottle can treat up to 4 gallons. This formula will address drips and leaks that occur from regular wear and tear or aging of your system. This concentrate works with all types and colors of antifreeze coolant and water. This makes it versatile and easier to use. The concentrated formula means you only need 1 bottle for a regular-sized cooling system. It will work with most 6, 8, and 10-cylinder engines. For 4-cylinder engines, you only need half a bottle. Unfortunately, this concentrate isn't effective at sealing larger leaks or leaks that are located in the seams, bolts, or other areas of the system. It also won't protect against overheating. Number 4, AlumAseal Coolant Leak Repair, is the best radiator stop leak you'll found in the advertisement in 2021. This AlumAseal leak repair provides a tight seal to your cooling system quickly and efficiently. One of the best features is that it is simple to use and can be applied instantly to your coolant system. It's capable of being added to either a hot or cold engine, saving your time. However, use extreme caution when mixing the solution with a hot engine to avoid hurting yourself. Another benefit of AlumAseal's leak repair is it mixes with all types of antifreeze, so you need not worry about buying a specific brand for your car. It also can be left in the cooling system or flushed out if needed. AlumAseal's formula is designed to target holes and cracks, then permanently seal them without damaging your engine. While this may be an excellent radiator fluid stop leak, there are a few drawbacks you should be aware of. AlumAseal does guarantee a permanent seal, but many consumers report they experienced some leaking again a few weeks or months after application. Number 3, Bars Leaks Liquid Aluminum Stop Leak, is the best radiator stop leak you can find on the market in 2021. Bars Leak is well known for its stop leak products, and among the best in its liquid aluminum stop leak. The compound making up the fluid works great at sealing leaks, and it also conditions the engine with the use of what Bars Leaks call liquid aluminum. That's just step 1. Step 2 is known as the Stream Cool formula. This solution stops overheating and reduces the temperature of the water and the radiator. Another great feature is how durable and effective this stop leak is. It easily seals leaks in plastic, aluminum, and metal radiators, heater cores, gaskets, and freeze plugs. One other benefit is this stop leak can be added to the cooling system without having to flush out the antifreeze. It can also be used with all types of coolant, including yellow, orange, pink, red, blue, and green silicate-based and non-silicate-based antifreeze. While the price is a bonus, you may have to buy in bulk to get more efficient results. Number 2, Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak, is the best radiator stop leak you'll be able found on the showcase in 2021. Liqui Moly's stop leak is for use in passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, buses, and more. It seals hair cracks as well as tiny leaks caused by impacts and porous soldering points. The product is compatible with antifreeze and coolant water refiners and works on aluminum radiators and cooling water and heating systems, both with and without water filters. Liqui Moly is made in Germany and works particularly well on European vehicles. It functions as it promises, and it stops leaks as advertised. It's a great product if you need a quick and temporary coolant system leak repair. It isn't uncommon for the product to seal a leak for several months. There are not many downsides to this product. It does not solve every type of leak. You may need more than 1 bottle to stop up larger holes, and it's not a permanent fix. Number 1, AlumAseal Radiator Stop Leak Powder, is the best radiator stop leak you can find available in 2021. This radiator sealant from AlumAseal is one of the original sealant products on the market. You pour the powder into your cooling system and then wait for the formula to go to work. It's compatible with all types of antifreeze. When you use this powder, you not only seal up the current leaks but also create a protective barrier that will prevent future leaks and rust. It will also lubricate your water pump to further preserve and extend the life of your cooling system. Unfortunately, this powder is only effective at sealing small leaks or pin-sized holes. You also need to be careful, as it has clogged some vehicles' cooling systems. The powder may not completely mix into the liquid to flow through the entire system, which can cause overheating. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below. All Radiator Stop Leaks are available on Amazon. You can check the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.